Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to increase purchase limit on Revolut app. So the first thing that you need to actually do is to open the app as see from here and then go to the home section on the down left corner. After that, you need to actually go to the cards section. So you can see it from here. If you don't see your cards from here, you need to click on the top right on the cards section. So after that, after clicking on your cards, you need to click on the gear icon for the settings. But I can't show you that because on the cards section, everything will blur because of the security. So after you click on the settings, now you will see the limit settings. You need to click on spending limit as see from here. And after that, now you will have the option to enable or change the amount of the spending limit. You need to actually click on it. And after that, from here, you can just write the amount that you want for the spending limit. And that's it. Now you have increased the spending limit to the limit that you want. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.